Introducing Total Repair by FiberFix, the universal repair tool. Here's the problem. Superglues bond objects together, but cannot perform other adhesive functions like sealing or reinforcement. Light-cured adhesives can seal, fill, and reinforce, but they cannot bond together opaque objects. Total Repair does it all. Got a broken object? Bond it with Total Repair. Do you have a hole or crack? Seal it with Total Repair. What about chips or gaps? Fill it with Total Repair. See, Total Repair is unlike any glue out there. It comes with a unique adhesive formula, an innovative blue light technology that empowers you to make endless repairs with the same product. To apply, twist and cap the nozzle on to pierce the foil, then squeeze the body to dispense resin. Shine the included blue light for an instant cure. If you're trying to glue two objects where light can't get in, don't worry. Simply apply Total Repair to one side and press the objects together. Within a minute, the glue will harden. Total Repair. It gets all of the jobs done.